nagsaktan ng mga nagsisiwit kang dayan.
Napakagaling sumayaw ni nanay.
Oo, siya lang yung sumasayo.
Pakinggan naman natin yung yung grupo ni Rina. Kakanta sila ng Breathless. Ay,
Breathless.
Breathless.
Aray.
Breathless.
Hindi.
Grabe. Parang personalan na yan
Breathless. Asan yung mic? Mic, please.
Ayan, ang mga magaganda.
Ay! Tignan mo naman. Mga nagkaganda ang gandang Pilipina. Ems, kakanta daw sila ng
Purwakan da kanima. Doc Rod, baka naman, Sir Jeff.
Hello? Awang cash prize na yan, oy?
Oh my God. Mamalan, baka naman.
Besinat agkanta isudat mangkeg.
Ay, ba Edwin?
1, 2, 3. Ay, Diyos ko, mapanta 3,000.
Okay, this song is dedicated to our birthday celebrator and of course to our city health officer, Dr. Ron. Let's fade it slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting on you only. This night has started and I feel weak.
Isa pa po.
All or nothing.
Ikaw, ma'am, kumanta.
All or nothing.
All or nothing.
Is it all or nothing at all? I dedicate this song to Mommy SC. Oh. And I request Tito Randy and Mommy ST to dance right in front here.
Pangalan ni ma'am?
Stephanie po.
Stephanie. Ma'am Stephanie. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin, Ma'am Stephanie. Yes.
I know when he's been on your mind, the girls that look is in your eyes. I thought with time you realize it's over, over. It's not the way I choose to live. And something somewhere's got to give. A shared relationship gets older. You know I thought for you, but how can I find someone who isn't living there? I've had the rest of you, now I want the best of you. I don't care if that's not fair, 'cause I want it all or nothing at all. There's nowhere left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all, or are we just friends? Is this how it ends? With a simple telephone call, you leave me here with nothing at all. There are times it seems to me I'm sharing you in memories. I feel it in my heart, but I don't show it, show it. Then there's times you look at me as though I'm all that you can see. Those times I don't believe it's right. I know it, know it. Don't make me promises, maybe you never did know how to keep them well. Have the rest of yeah, if that's not fair, 'cause I want it all or nothing at all. There's nowhere left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all, or are we just friends? Is this how it ends? With a simple telephone call, you leave me with nothing, 'cause you and I could lose it all if you got no more room, no room inside for me in your life. 'Cause I want it all or nothing at all. There's nowhere left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all, or are we just friends? Is this how it ends? The simple telephone call, you leave me with nothing at all. Is this how it ends? With a simple telephone call, you leave me with nothing Request.
Ayan, baka may request po kayo. Ano po, ma'am? Sunday morning. Sunday morning. Yun po?
The early morning rain is falling. Ano dito yung bulak? Bagi ni mami, dito mintan nyo kanya.
Wala na si John Ring.
Oh, Jeric, nakakanta na ko na.
Ayan, again, palakpakan naman po natin si Ma'am Stephanie for her side B.
Still some cover share some skin. Clouds are shining us some moments unforgettable. It is the feeling more that I meant.
namang maraming magaling kumanta dito.
Okay. Oo, marami. Andyan
Baka
pa si Mami Gloria.
Gloria.
At saka si
Oo.
tatay ni Brett, andyan pa.
Baka naman pwedeng si Mami Gloria.
Si Mami Gloria.
Si Brad, bro.
Mami.
Romeo.
Ay, nagawi din, ma?
Romeo.
Ay,
Wala.
kita?
Umuwi na. Umuwi na
Si
si
Tito.
Lola.
Hindi, andyan si Kuya.
Papa mo.
Kuya.
Tito, Megan. Daddy. Megan, daddy.
Sige, sige. Ayan. Pakantahin natin. Andyan sa likod. Sir Romeo Dato.
Tawagan na natin si Tito Romeo Dato. Daddy.
Oh, ayan na siya.
Yan, ayan na siya.
Hello.
Baka duwit sila ni ano, ni...
Hello.
Okay, at sigurado mapapasayaw tayo dito sa kantang to.
Halika, sayaw-sayaw tayo. Kanina pa yung mga sayaw-sayaw dyan eh.
Ako. RV, come on.
Idaulo ni
RV,
RV.
meka na. Meka na, sala-sala ta lang. Hey! Happy birthday! Walang iba pang sasarap sa pagtitinginan natin. Sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wala akong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman na lagi kang makikinggan. Mapakailanman. Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na magdalawahan. Kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Happy birthday, Madam Estrella, and enjoy your vacation. ng mga bago tutukin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa iba't na panahon. Magkisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa iba't na panahon. Kasabay ng mga bago tutukin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa iba't na panahon. Kasabay ng mga bago tutukin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa iba't na panahon. Kasabay ng mga bago tutukin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa iba't na panahon. Kasabay ng mga bago tutukin ngayon. One day, happy birthday! Hurrah! 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 Rock, baby, rock. Rock into my heart. Rock, baby, rock. Say you'll never part. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan, ako ay lalo nang nahihibang. Come on and rock me tonight. Ako sa'yo forever. Reality bulos mo na pagkat tayo ay together. Rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby, rock. Dahan-dahan lang. Rock, baby, rock. Ako'y nag-aabang. Rock, baby, rock, baby. Rock, baby, rock, baby. Rock, baby. Rock, rock, baby, rock. Hey, hey, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan, ako ay lalo nang nahihibang. Come on and rock me tonight. Ako sa'yo forever. Kaya ibuhos mo na pagkat tayo ay together. Rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby. Rock, rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby. Rock, baby. Rock, rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby. Rock, baby. Rock, rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby. Rock, baby. Rock, rock, baby, rock. Thank you so much. All right.
Alright!
Once again, happy birthday po.
Yan.
Okay.
Napagod si Tito, oh. Ayan. Ano pa ba yung mga gusto natin dyan habang meron pa tayong natitirang minutos? Yan.
Ay, baka may mga request pa po tayo dyan. Dito po, sir. Ano po? Tarong.
Taong.
Eggplant.
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 Itlog na tanim.
Ano yan?
Tarong daw, inay.
Talong. Eggplant.
Talaga naman masarap kasi
Ito
talong.
muna bago yung talong. Oo, ito muna yung mag-love song muna tayo. Tapos
Yes.
yan. Pahinga muna, tapos sayaw ulit. And once again, happy birthday to
Mom Estrel.
Estrel. Yan.
May you have more birthdays to come.
Here's a song from Dan Hill. Can I touch you? I can't believe that you are real. How did I ever find you? You are the dream that saved my life. You are the reason I survive, baby. I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. Can I hold you? Girl, your smile lights up the sky. You are too beautiful for the human eye. You are the dream that never dies. You are the fire that burns inside, baby. I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. And once again, happy birthday to Miss Mel. Salamat po sa nagbigay ng bulaklak. Thank you so much, ma'am. You are the sunshine in the sky, and you are the sparkle in my eyes. Oh, I never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. No, I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. Yes, thank you so much.
Okay, ayan. At may request sila kanina na talong. Talong. Okay. O, sayaw ulit. Gusto niyong sumayaw ulit?
Yes!
Oh,
Here's your request.
eto na. Ito na yung request niyo.
sila sa talong ah.
Si Ma'am.
Sa dinami-dami ng
Di ba,
klase
Ma'am,
ng
kayo po?
talong.
Sa
Oo.
dinami-dami ng
Talong.
aming talong.
Talong.
Ano po?
Ano po?
knows.
Heaven knows.
Heaven knows.
By,
Kayo pa.
By orange and melon.
orange and
Melon daw.
orange and melon.
Orange and lemon.
Alam ba natin yon?
Wala kang lemon. Melon.
Orange.
Wala tayong
O baka
lemon.
baka alam mo yung kanta na ano ma'am?
Coco melon.
Melon.
At syempre, gusto nating magpasalamat sa ating suot ngayon.
To Sir Luisito Cruz. Thank you so much, sir.
Ayan, try po namin tong song na Orange and Melon. Melon.
Lemon.
Ay, lemon.
Orange and
Kanta ng Orange and
Coco melon.
Heaven knows. Who knows? Yan. And of course, ayan, pasalamatan din natin yung mga andito pa. Yan.
Yes, magpalakpakan naman tayo dyan! Ayan, pwede po kayong sumabay. Come on!
There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I bellow and cry from this stupid gate, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost red down, swelling as I keep on digging my face in this cold head of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am. Those these angels has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. Should have lived her ways and made her mine for all eternity. Now these angels has flown away from me, though I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to I'm so tired, I feel like catching 40 weeks, beat it up all night in this elbow room that puts me in a trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from this fake. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how embittered I am. Sir Jerome, come on, sing with me. Cause these angels has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. Should have keep her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now these angels has flown away from me, though I had a strength to set her
Yan. At may request si Ma'am Estrel na kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko.
Yun.
Oh, kahit mabuti na ang buhok
Pwede
ko.
po kayong sumayaw sa song na to.
Okay, sige, andahin natin. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko,
Requested by Ma'am
pero
Estrel.
magasin ang nakita ko.
Oo. Ikaw, lutang ka. Once again, this song is dedicated to Ma'am Estrel.
Ako'y matanda na, sana'y
O, kanta tayong lahat
di
naman.
tayo magbago.
Medyo lakas-lakasan naman.
Kailanman, nasaan man ikaw ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y akan at yakapin? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Thank you so much po.
Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo mangangarap sa nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Kahit maputi na ang
Alright, I think song for the compliment and requesting that song for Esther.
Okay, maraming salamat. Okay, and this time I'd like to give you a song from the Eraserhead. Yeah. Head. Okay. Magsipalakpakan naman tayo ulit ng malakas.
Buhok mo'y green sa isang tindahan sa may Baclaran. Napatingin na tulala sa iyong kagwapuhan. Naalala pa nung tayo pang dalawa, di ko inakala sisikat ka. Tinawanan pa kita, tinawag ko kung walang hiya. Medyo pangit ka pa no, ngunit ngayon
Next year.
Magdadrive ako hanggang Bicol.
Pasakay na doon.
Huwag na malayo.
Magdadrive ako hanggang Batangas.
Ala, eh.
Tapos magsuswimming doon
Saan?
sa beach, siyempre.
Maulan.
Magdadrive ako buong taon. Magdadrive ako habang buhay. Magdadrive ako hanggang sa Nicolas.
Lapit na pura.
Please lang turuan niyo akong mag-drive. Gusto kong matutong mag-drive. Kahit na wala akong kotse. Gusto kong matutong mag-drive. Kahit na walang lisensya.
Mga pare. Hi, pare. Uy, mga pare.
Anong balita? Pare.
May problema na naman to. Oh.
Mayroon akong
Ay,
ichichika.
anda na naman.
Huwag mong sabihin na naman.
Alam ko na yan.
Uy, in love ako.
Sino? Sino?
Kanino?
Sa lalaking basketballista. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Magaling mag 3 points talaga.
Huwag na nating idaan sa maboteng usapan. Lalo lang madaragdagan ang sakit sa ulo at tingin sa tiyan. Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito? Di ba ang hiya? Na mukha akong tanga, inaasal lang ako. Let's say pag-ibig ko. Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito? Di ba ang hiya? Na mukha akong tanga, inaasal lang ako. Let's say pag-ibig ko. Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito?
Ituloy natin ang kanta. Kanta ng mga E-Heads. Come on. Hey!
Alright, riders from the E-Heads. Mga sabay niyo po.
Yes, another song from the E-Heads.
Kamukha ko si...
Sino? Sino?
Sino na? Sino kamukha mo ngayon?
Sir Rodrigo.
Ay, kagwapo naman. Oy!
Alayo
Nung
mo.
kami ay bata pa. At ang galing-galing namin sumayaw.
Ng ano?
Mapabugi man o cha-cha. Ngunit ang paborito
Ano yung paborito?
ay ang pagsayaw mo ng El Bimbo. Nakakainda, nakakaaliw, nakakatindig, balahibo. Hey! Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay diniretso na sa inyo. At noong maghapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Come on everybody! Magkahawak ang ating kamay. akin. Ilang sawa na sa akin, mga kwentong marangkong tungkol sa'yo at sa ligaya. Iyong hatid sa aking buhay, tuyang bida sa isipan ko na. Sa umaga't sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. ikaw ay maitalay sa kalayaan ng ligaya. Tayo na, tayo na. Ika'y magtiwala sapagkat ngayong gabi ako ang mahiwaga. LSC. Thank you so much.
Yes, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Lalo-lalo sa kanilang family sa kanilang Thanksgiving party. And of course, happy birthday once again to Esther Cabrera. Binigyan niyo po ang blessing. Thank you so much. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo.
Yes! At syempre, kung nandito po kayo sa mga giving, that is now our Facebook page, R&B Band New Page at sa aming YouTube channel na RP and the Sad Street Band.
Yes, good night everyone. And once again,
We are the R&B and the Sad Street Band.